welcome to Vlogmas day 22. I hope you guys are having a great start to your week so far. It's pretty late that I'm starting this after 3 o'clock. I have a few clients to go see. I've been working from home for the most part all day today. And I got some more Christmas gifts to deliver. I'm currently in traffic right now. Hopefully y'all can see this, which I shouldn't own since it's after 3:30 and I'm just now getting on the road. But hopefully my stops are quick and I can do what I need to do. I'm expecting some packages to come in the mail, some last minute Christmas gifts. I don't think I'm gonna be doing too much of anything else today. I hope you guys are enjoying Vlogmas so far. And yeah, I'll be back when something going on, child. Okay, y'all. So y'all remember last week I did whatever vlog I said. I said Oklahoma. We're not still riding around horses. We got cars and stuff, duh. But it's not uncommon for you to see people riding their horses, you know, doing stuff, especially in the country. And I'm kind of in the country right now. I'm not really in the city, but on like 23rd Martin Luther King, like in the city, you can catch that too sometimes. So yeah, y'all, I am out and about to drop off these last Christmas gifts. It is the giving season, you guys. I hope you guys are in the giving mood. You know, I'm not even really concerned on getting anything. I'm just blessed to still have what I have, because a lot has happened this year. 2020 has been a hot ass mess. So I'm very, very grateful for that, and I'm very grateful that we're able to give to others. So but yes, y'all, I just wanted to show y'all them horses, honey, because that was right what I was saying in that vlog. So if you didn't watch that vlog, go watch it. And yeah, I'll be back. Hey y'all, I just wanted to say sorry for this extremely short vlog. I ended up not really going too many places. And actually I really didn't go nowhere. I just went to see my clients. I'm not really feeling good. That's the only thing I can say about this Vlogmas is it kind of sucks because I've had some issues here and there throughout Vlogmas, but we've made it this far, day 22. So I'm happy about that. But I'm not gonna lie, I'm getting tired and I'm ready for a break. So yeah, Chris is still at work. I already ate dinner. I'm about to literally lay down, y'all, and chillax. Like, y'all see I got my hair tied up and everything, child, in the bed, okay? In the bed. I was gonna do a Just Talk, but I can't remember what the topic was. So maybe I'll do that for, or I don't know when I'll do it. Vlogmas is literally about over, y'all. Like, this is crazy. But yeah, if I think of what it was, I may come back. If something else happens, I may come back. If not, please like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. And bear with everybody doing Vlogmas, y'all. We trying. So I love y'all so much, and I will see y'all in the next video. Hey y'all, so I thought I would come back on here and show y'all my nighttime skincare routine. As I said earlier, I'm sorry about the video being short because, child, I really didn't do too much today other than work, and I'm not feeling the best, unfortunately, but I do need to clean my face. So I'm gonna show y'all everything that I use. I'm gonna be using these because I'm being a little lazy. I do have the actual cleanser that's in the bottle like this, but it's in the shower, so I'm not gonna use it right now. I'm just gonna use the cloths, and then I'm gonna show y'all everything else. So I can't remember what it was that I wanted to talk to y'all about. But today I did start working out. Praise the Lord. So hopefully I can keep that up. It's really just about looking how I want to look and being healthy, y'all. Like, I'm sure y'all have seen in my videos, my arms and my stomach. Those are really the main things that I really want to work on. And I know you can't spot train, but I honestly feel like doing strength training and, you know, doing stuff like that, you can shape your body how you want it to be. So, of course, it's for weight loss also, but just for me to feel and look how I want to look. And, you know, it's insane to continue to try to do the same thing and expect the same results. So, I'm not going to do that anymore. I'm so short. I think I'm like 4'11". I ain't even 5 foot. I have to work out. I can't just eat right. I have to work out as well, just because of my height. And there's so much fat in such a short frame that, like, it is what it is. I can't necessarily do what everybody else do. What may work for somebody else may not work for you, and it may not work for me. So that just is what it is. So I use that to cleanse off my face from the day. And then I'm going to use this to treat and prevent pimples. I have y'all on my little stand that has my cotton balls and swabs in it. So I'm just going to use some toilet paper. I just pour some on there. I really, really, really like this stuff. I feel like it works really, really good. And I just put it on my problem areas. My skin is really starting to look better than what it was. Hopefully y'all can see. I know I got my mirror. But yes, y'all. So it's just about, you know, getting to a healthy weight for my height and just feeling better, not being so fatigued and tired all the time. And, you know, I used to always crack jokes about, baby, I want to be in my bed. I could be in my bed all day. And I was like, you know what? That may not necessarily be a good thing. So I probably should do something about that. After that, I am going to put I do go to a dermatologist, and this is what I'm using to get rid of the black on my nose. It's gotten better. And then they prescribed this for my cheeks, and I do this at night. If y'all hear my husband in the background, he up there watching the game. So, oh, I kind of put a lot. So yeah, y'all, I don't think that's necessarily what I was trying to remember to talk to y'all about earlier. But it'll come to me in a future vlog, I'm sure. Make sure you wash your hands when you're doing your face. I already did. Okay, now I'm gonna put this on my cheeky weekies. A little goes a long way, y'all. A little goes a long way. Something else that I use for a mask is this. This was recommended to me by my dermatologist as well. I really like it. And then this is also something else that I use during the day when I know I'm going to be out and about. You want to make sure you have a sunscreen so that your hyperpigmentation or your dark spots do not get even darker. So the last thing I'm going to be putting on for my night routine is my moisturizer. Again, I do have the Cetaphil moisturizer and cleanser. So I'm gonna use that, and that's really about it. I don't like to put a whole bunch of stuff on my face just because I feel like you can overdo it, especially with different products and stuff. And something else that I learned also is that using the same brand for everything you may need may not necessarily be the good thing, because my dermatologist was like, every company has their products that just aren't the best, but they have them just to have a complete line. So it is okay to use different products, because some may work better than others for your skin. I used to be like that. I want to use all Neutrogena. I want to use all Clean and Clear. I want to use all Cetaphil. And it's like, but that may not necessarily be the best for your skin. Sometimes I may put Vaseline on to seal everything in. Just depends on the day and how I'm feeling. But I really do like these cloths. They really get the dirt off and you can see it. So yeah, y'all, that's really it for my nighttime skincare routine. I feel like my skin is getting much better than what it was. I may put up before and after photos so y'all can see what it was looking like. Honey, it was all bad. So yes, you guys, I love you guys so much. Hopefully tomorrow's vlog is more eventful. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.